You can earn $7 every minute, again and again, in pure passive income if you set up this system once, which is one of the best ways to make money online. It's completely free to set up this system, and the good thing is you can get paid in PayPal, Payoneer, or directly into your local bank account. So like this video, and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to canva.com. Canva is a free online tool that you can use to create any designs. So just sign up for Canva using your email and password. And once you log in, I want you to click where it says the custom size. Then select the inches option from there and type 12 inches and 16 inches in these boxes. And just hit this create new design button right here. That's gonna take us to this page where we can start creating our design. And for this video, I want you to create motivational quotes or inspirational quotes image for entrepreneurs or business owners. But make sure the images you create are original ones, not copyrighted. And of course, you can take the help of ChatGPT for this. So once you come over to ChatGPT, you can just simply type, "Share with me short quotes for inspiration for entrepreneurs and business owners." Make sure those are original ones and not copyrighted ones. And just press enter. The ChatGPT will share some of the best quotes with you that you can use to set up a passive income system that's going to earn you $7 every minute on autopilot. Now what I want you to do is copy these quotes one by one and paste them into your Canva design nicely so that we can create a nice looking quotes image for entrepreneurs and business owners out there. So let's start with the first quote that says, "Dream big, start small, but most of all, start." I will just copy dream text from there and I will come back to Canva. And here on Canva, I will just select the text option from there and I will select add a heading from option. Now I will just paste in here the dream text I copied from ChatGPT. Now I want you to change the text font to the Montserrat text from there because that looks nice in the quotes image. Also, make sure every heading has a capital letter in the words. Now I want you to adjust and place your text in the middle of this pink frame that Canva is showing you. So just place and adjust your text size according to this pink Canva frame. Now I want you to copy and paste your first text on Canva just like this and move it towards the middle like that. After that, just copy the next word from the quote from ChatGPT and come over to Canva again. Then just make the first letter of this word a capital letter. Reduce the size of this text to the size that looks good with the other texts like this. Then just copy and paste this text also. And just like this, you can create an inspirational quotes image that will look like this or something like this. And just using these ChatGPT quotes, you can create many different inspirational quote images. And once you create your quotes images, I want you to download them one by one from this share icon on top right corner. Select the download option from there. From the pages, select the page you want to download, click on the done button, and then again click on this download button and your quotes image will be downloaded to your device. Just like this, you can download all the quotes to your device. Now the step number 2 is to come over to gelato.com. I will leave a link to Gelato in the description of this video and the pinned comment. Gelato is a print-on-demand platform where you can find different white label products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, posters, and canvas that can be printed on. For anyone who doesn't know how print-on-demand works, you make a design and you partner up with a company that in return prints and ships your product when someone buys it. This means if you set up everything correctly, then all you have to do is to collect your paycheck every month. And the good thing is that you can start this business model with $0 and it's available worldwide. But for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create more videos for you and others watching from your country. Now we are going with the Gelato because it's free to use, so you can create an account on Gelato for completely free. They have fulfillment centers all around the world and their interface is really easy to use and straightforward for beginners like us. All you have to do is pick out one of these products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, posters, and canvas that can be printed on and upload some designs to it, whether that's an image, text, design, or drawings, etc. After that, you can list your items on different e-commerce platforms like Etsy, Wix, WooCommerce, eBay, etc. And whenever someone buys your items from these e-commerce sites, the order will be fulfilled by Gelato and you will get your profit for that sale. And the reason why we selected inspirational quotes images is that if I show you this print-on-demand Etsy shop, Kiki and Nim, that sells printable frames for business and other quotes and images, you can see that they have got over 170,000 sales in their shop. And as you can see, they are selling these quotes wall art for anywhere from $3 up to $14. Even if we take $10 average sales price, they have already made over $1.7 million by just selling these businesses and inspirational wall art quote images. And there are many Etsy shops like this. As you can see, this Divine Digital Print shop has got over 58,000 sales, and they are selling these wall arts with inspirational quotes for an average price of $7.60. So if we do the math here, they already earned close to $500,000 from this one shop alone. And the reason why these inspirational or business quote wall art works very best is because firstly, there is a large market of aspiring entrepreneurs who love putting motivational artwork on their walls to keep themselves motivated and working hard. Secondly, the The wall art is very cheap to make, and because it's more of an impulsive purchase, you can sell it for a little higher than your competitors to make a good amount of profit. So the wall art of inspirational quotes and images is the best product we can choose for the purpose of this video. And don't worry if Etsy is not available in your county, because you can integrate with Shopify, Wix, WooCommerce, Squarespace, and other sites for that. So once you understand how things work here, the step number 3 is, I want you to click the first link in the description of this video, or the pinned comment, and sign up for Gelato. Once you log into your Gelato account, this is how your dashboard will look like. And the first thing I want you to do is to click on the store from the left. That's going to take you to this page where you can connect your store. So as you can see here, you can connect different Shopify stores, Etsy store, Amazon store, eBay store, and many other store options available for you. After that, I want you to hover your mouse on menu on the left again and select the product catalog from there. And you will be shown with a lot of different product options here. So here you can find t-shirt mock-ups, hoodies, bag mock-ups, phone cases, mugs, calendars, and much more. But for the purpose of this video, I am going to select the wall art option from there. That's going to show us different types of designs for our wall art. And I am going to select this wooden frame option from there. After that, it will show us different wooden framed posters to choose from. And I am going to choose this premium matte paper wooden framed poster from there because I can see that this is the best seller. So I will just select it from there and we will be taken to the next page where I will just select the 30 by 40 centimeters or 12 by 16 inches option from there because it is the best sized poster for most houses and it seems to be the size most people select. Then I will select the vertical frame and a black color frame from there and make sure ready to hang is select there. After that, scroll down a little bit and click on the start designing button. And on this page, we need to upload our design to our wall art poster. So just click on it and that's going to show us the different options to upload our design. I will just click on my device from there and upload the design that we created and downloaded from Canva. And once you upload your designs, they will be shown in the file section on the left. So you can just select the design you want to create your wall art with and the same will be pasted to your frame. Now you can adjust your design accordingly so that your design fits perfectly into your frame and it looks nice with it. And the good thing is that if you want, you can use different elements from the Gelato to enhance your design. For example, you can add a text from here, you can add different shapes like lines, rectangles, and squares. You can also use different Shutterstock images and stock footage from here to enhance your design. Even you can change the layout of your wall art into different layouts available here. So if you're trying to fit 3 images into a single poster, you can use this layout for that. You can also use different Gelato graphics available here for free, and so on. And once your wall art is ready, you can just click on preview to see how it will actually look. So you can see how your design will look on the wall of the house, in your bedroom, etc. And once you are satisfied with your wall art, you can just save it as a template. And after that, you can just go over to Etsy and create your shop. Or you can also integrate with Shopify, Wix, WooCommerce, Squarespace, and more. If Etsy is not available in your country, just make sure you connect your shop to the Gelato so that any order you receive on these e-commerce sites will be directed towards Gelato. The Gelato will fulfill your orders and you will receive your profit after expenses. And once you get the ball rolling, you can easily start to earn over $7 every minute again and again in pure passive income for just setting this system one time. Once again, I will leave a link to Gelato in the description of this video and the pinned comment. You can get free access to Gelato using that link. Not only that, you will get 50% off on your first purchase if made within 3 days of creating your account. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.